The moon, our celestial companion, has always held a certain mystique. It illuminates our night sky and governs the ocean's tides. But what would happen if this familiar orb edged closer to Earth? Our moon isn't static, it's slowly drifting away from us. But for this thought experiment, let's imagine the opposite. Let's picture the moon venturing closer, its familiar face looming larger in our night sky. This seemingly small shift in distance would trigger a cascade of significant consequences on Earth. The most immediate impact of a closer moon would be felt through its enhanced gravitational pull. Gravity is an invisible force that binds objects together, and the moon's gravity is what drives our tides. As the moon drew nearer, its gravitational influence on Earth would intensify. This amplified gravitational force would tug on our planet with greater strength, leading to some rather dramatic and potentially catastrophic effects. Imagine coastal cities facing tsunamis on a daily basis. The sheer power and frequency of these waves would be unimaginable, causing widespread devastation and chaos. Streets would turn into rivers, and buildings would be submerged, leaving behind a trail of destruction. That's a glimpse of what a closer moon could bring. The moon's proximity would drastically alter the gravitational forces at play, leading to unprecedented tidal activity. Tides are governed by the moon's gravitational pull. This delicate balance has been maintained for eons, but a shift in the moon's distance could disrupt this harmony. A closer moon equates to stronger pulls, resulting in far more extreme tides. These tides would not only be higher, but also more forceful, capable of reshaping entire coastlines. Low tides would recede further, exposing vast stretches of the ocean floor. This would reveal hidden marine landscapes, but also disrupt coastal ecosystems and human activities. High tides wouldn't just be higher, they would transform into monstrous walls of water, surging inland and reshaping coastlines. These towering waves would engulf everything in their path, leaving little time for evacuation. This constant cycle of extreme tides would render many coastal regions uninhabitable. Communities would be forced to relocate, and once thriving areas would become ghost towns, abandoned to the relentless power of the sea. Earth's wobble, a dance disrupted. Earth spins on its axis, completing one full rotation approximately every 24 hours, and this rotation is what gives us day and night, creating the cycle of light and darkness that we experience daily. However, our planet doesn't spin perfectly upright. It has a slight tilt, known as its axial tilt, a wobble, if you will, which is about 23.5 degrees from the vertical. This wobble is not static. It changes over time in a cycle called axial precession. This tilt is what gives us our seasons, as different parts of the Earth receive varying amounts of sunlight throughout the year. The moon's gravity plays a crucial role in stabilizing Earth's wobble, acting as a cosmic anchor that keeps our planet's tilt relatively steady. If the moon were to move closer, even by a small margin, its amplified gravitational pull could disrupt this delicate balance, causing significant changes in Earth's axial tilt. Our planet's tilt could shift more dramatically, altering the distribution of sunlight across the globe, leading to extreme and unpredictable seasonal changes, which could have profound effects on global weather patterns, agriculture, and ecosystems. Life on a changed Earth. The consequences of a closer moon wouldn't be limited to tides and seasons. Such drastic environmental changes would inevitably impact life on Earth, including us. The intensified tides and unpredictable seasons would disrupt ecosystems, impacting marine life and agriculture. Coastal regions, now submerged beneath monstrous tides, would force mass migrations inland. Human society would face unprecedented challenges in this new world shaped by a closer moon. A cosmic mystery. While the thought of the moon making a sudden move towards Earth is a fascinating and terrifying one, it sparks the imagination and raises questions about the forces at play in our universe. The reality, however, is quite different. The moon is actually moving away from us at a rate of about 1.5 inches, or 3.8 centimeters per year. This gradual drift might seem insignificant, but over millions of years, it has profound implications. Why is this happening? What cosmic forces are causing this slow dance between the Earth and its only natural satellite? Scientists have been studying this phenomenon for decades, and their findings are nothing short of intriguing. The moon's retreat is linked to the tidal forces between the Earth and the moon, which create friction and transfer energy. This energy transfer causes the moon to slowly spiral away. Join us next week as we delve into the fascinating reasons behind the moon's retreat and what it means for the future of our planet. How will this affect our tides, our days, and even the stability of Earth's axis? Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon to be notified when our new video drops. Stay tuned for more cosmic mysteries and scientific explorations.